Hey guys, I just wanted to show you some of the newest birds I picked up. They've been scratching and got their water all dirty. But I got this Polish at auction and these two guineas. I think they're a male and female. I'm not sure. They are not really making any noise or anything. I'm assuming so because one of them's bigger and is already getting the bigger wattles and stuff. And the other one's smaller and doesn't really have any. But here they are. I also want to show you the Seramas, an update on the Seramas. So here's my new guy. He is pretty great quality. I'm gonna take him to the show in Centralia in November. And then there's the other one I might take, the Calico. And then there's their coop, nothing really changed. I also got some ringneck pheasant, and they are from like the wild type. You can tell because they're the smaller ones, and they are so much more redder on the face. I have one California Valley quail left in there. I had a raccoon come and break in right there. I had to restaple it all, but killed a bunch of my quail. Here is couple of the quail actually. They are sticking around. I throw some food out for them and stuff. I was able to catch these two of them too actually, and I put them in a temporary little cage till I can get another one built. And here are the mallards that I hatched out too. I ended up with 2 male and 2 female. That's a little call duck. There's another quail. 2 more quail. There's more of the Seramas. I actually hatched most of these out. I bought this black one, and I bought that little chocolate silked one. I hatched him out. I bought those two as a pair. That one, this one was given to me. I helped move a couch for the breeder and she gave her to me. And same with that penciled over there. And then I hatched this penciled out along with the others. I actually hatched out a bunch of their babies. They are inside right now. I will go take a quick little video of the babies I hatched out too. They hatched out on the 20th, so like 2 days ago I think. And here are some of the chicks. There's 3 Aracanas and 1 Leghorn Araucana mix, and the rest are the Seramas. I got a lot of mottled Seramas out of this batch. Alright, thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, and subscribe.